Good morning, class. Now we will continue from network devices. Now, next network device is switch. Switch is device that is used to connect LAN segment or subnet. That means switch is a device that is used to connect LAN segment. A switch is responsible for filtering the data packets. Switch is working on packet switching technique. Here three terms are used. First one is switch is a device that is used to connect subnet or segment. Subnet that means subnetwork, small networks, yeah, parts of network. Subnet that means subnetwork, small network or parts of network. Switch is responsible for filtering the data packets. Filtering the data packets that means कि switch is able to forward the data packet to the destination. That means कि which packet is addressed with which destination, that packet is sent to only that destination or only that nodes. Next, switch is working on packet switching technique. We will later this technique. In the next lecture we will see what is the packet switching technique and what is the circuit switching technique. Now next one is bridge. A bridge is a device that you link two networks working on same protocol. Suppose that if there is two network, suppose that this is one network and here one network is, this is the one network. Here bridge can be established. Here bridge can be established. That means bridge is device that will link two networks, but condition is working on same protocol. That means network first and network second, both are working on the same protocol. If they are working on different protocols, then bridge cannot be used between them. So next one is router. The router is a device that forwards data from one network to another network. A router is similar to bridge but can handle network working on different protocol. Router also decides most efficient path between source and destination. Now understand the working of router. Suppose that if there are two network, suppose this is one network, this is other network, and then here router can be used. Here router can be used. If network 1 and network 2 are working on the different protocol, that means they are not working on same protocol. In case of that, router can be used, but bridge cannot be used here. Next one is router also decide most efficient path between source and destination. In later chapter we will see the working of router with the help of routing table. So then that point will be cleared. Router also decide the path between the networks. Suppose that here one network 3. Now to travel network 1 to network 2, there are two paths from network 1 to network 2 direct, and one path is from network 1 to network 3 and then network 2. So then router decide the most efficient path, which path is shortest and which path is noise free, where the data can be easily forwarded. This will also decided by router. Next one is gateway. Gateway is a hardware device that acts as a gate between two networks. It may be a router, firewall, server, or other device that enables traffic to flow in and out of the network. Gateway is the hardware device act as a gate. That means gateway is used to control flow of data. Control flow of data. Control flow of data in and out. That means the information which is going to the sent and going to be received. This is the flow is managed by gateway. Gateway connects to dissimilar network. That means if there are two different types of network, that can also be connected by gateway. Now next one is access point. Access point is also known as wireless access point. An access point is a device that creates a wireless local area network or WLAN. That means access point enables your device to establish WLAN. Usually in an office or large building, an access point connects to a wired router, switch or hub via an Ethernet cable and projects a Wi-Fi signal to a designated area. That means access point by self is connected with the वायर. एक्सेस पॉइंट किसी न किसी राउटिंग डिवाइसेस से हमारा वायर्ड के थ्रू कनेक्ट होता है, बट इट्स प्रोड्यूस द सिग्नल इज वायरलेस सिग्नल दैट आर रेडियो वेव सिग्नल. दिस इज एक्सेस पॉइंट और वायरलेस एक्सेस पॉइंट. दिस इज द फिगर. You can understand here the router and here switch 1, switch 2, then their hub is projected and now here bridge is used, and this is the nodes. Here we can understand the working of the various network devices. Two switch is connected with the router and two hub is connected to switch, and switch is connected to bridge, and bridge is connected to the computer system or dedicated nodes. So next term is the cloud. Now what is the cloud? Cloud, that means refers the internet. That is, this is a collection of servers which is used to cloud computing and for storage of data and services on the demand. That means कि what is the cloud? Cloud is the collection of servers on the internet. Collection of server on the internet, and this is used to cloud computing. That means online computing. Cloud storage, that means online storage of data. There is no need to have any physical devices. You can store your data online servers, and you can use the several computing with the help of internet servers. Now there are some types of cloud. First one is private cloud, second one is public cloud, third one is community cloud, and fourth one is hybrid cloud. Now see the working of cloud. So let's understand with the figure. Here cloud computing. See, this is the collection of servers. There are virtual servers connected through the internet, and here is the network and end user. This is the mechanism of the cloud computing. Here we are going to save your storage devices and network services are stored on the cloud, that means on the internet servers. Now here the network is connected to the network devices, and here end user. Now if you are using these services, then you are end user, and you are asking for your uploaded data from the internet, then you have generated to request from the internet devices is generating, passing your request to cloud, and you can access the data from the cloud. This mechanism is called cloud computing. That means the computation or storage of data on the internet is called cloud computing. Now first one is private cloud. Private cloud, that means private cloud refers the cloud used by single organization, or person. Single organization or person. This is called private cloud. Second one, public cloud. That means the cloud, the common cloud used by many people. used by many people or organization. Many people or organization. For example, you can take the example of Google Drive, OneDrive, Gmail. These all are the public cloud. Now next one is community cloud. Community cloud, that means the cloud used by the cloud used by same group of organization. Suppose that if we are going to store the data or going to refer the cloud computing for online study, online teaching, then all the schools are refer to same cloud, same required same services. Then this type of cloud computing is called community cloud, where the same group of people or same group of organization which are asking the same type of resources and services using cloud storage or online storage. This mechanism is called community cloud. Next one is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud, that means one can have public and private, both type of cloud. Public and private, both cloud. This is called hybrid cloud. That means any organization or person which are going to use public cloud and private cloud, both. This is called the hybrid cloud. That means combination of public cloud and private cloud. This is called hybrid cloud. Now our next topic will be Internet of Things. In our next lecture we will going to see about Internet of Things. Now for today your homework is difference between client server and peer-to-peer architecture. Client server and peer-to-peer architecture, and the difference between switch, hub and router. So now this is all about today's lecture. If there is any doubt you can ask. Now thank you for watching.